Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to storytelling about Battle of Badr. The Battle of Al Abwa or the Battle of Badr occurred in the month of Safar. This war was also the first war carried out by Muslims and at the same time led directly by the Prophet. This war was named the Wadan War because it was located on Mount Wadan and was called the Al-Abwa War because it was adjacent to Abwa village in the southeast of the city of Medina. The War of Al-Abwa or the War of Wadan was the first war led by the Prophet after immigration to Medina. This war occurred in the month of Safar at the beginning of the 12th month or the second year of Hijriah. The War of Al-Abwa or the War of Wadan took place in the area of Wadan or Al-Abwa, which is an area between Mecca and Medina that 36 or 8 miles away. The Prophet appointed Sa'ad bin Muhajirin as his deputy in Medina. The purpose of the Prophet and 70 Muhajirin in fact was to block the Quraysh trading caravan. But nothing happened when they arrived in Wadan. This war only lasted for a short time, namely 15 days, with the bearer of the white war flag being Hamza bin Abdul Muttalib. The first arrow fired at the sword of Allah was Sa'ad bin Abu Waqqas. The Battle of Al-Abwa or the War of Wadan ended with a friendship agreement with Amr bin Waqqas, the leader of the Banu Damrah. The content of the agreement is as follows. This is the covenant of Muhammad, the messengers of Allah with the Banu Damrah, and that their property and themselves are guaranteed security, and they first help if anyone attacks them, unless they are fighting the religion of Allah. If the Prophet invites them to give help, then they must fulfill it. From the history of the Al-Abwa War or the Wadan War above, several lessons can be drawn that can be learned by Muslims, include number one, showing the courage of the Muslim in fighting even though the number of troops is only 70. Number one, the encourage of good relations with other tribes due to the existence of some of such agreements. And last, showing the wisdom and authority of the Prophet in leading Muslim tribes to war. The Battle of Al-Abwa is not as famous as the Battle of Uhud and the Battle of Badr, but this historical event should not to forgotten by Muslims in remembering the struggle of the Prophet. The war was actually carried out to resist the interference of a Camel army that broke the thread of the Quraysh politics. However, when the army of the Prophet Muhammad arrived at Wadan, it turned out that the Camel army had passed, so the Ghazwa did not happen. Instead, the Prophet Muhammad made a treaty with the Arabs and the Banu Damrah. This agreement was well received by the people so that the Prophet's army finally returned to Medina safely. The Wadan War as the first war of the Muslims against the infidels of the Quraysh was not a big war. History records that the first major war the Muslims waged against the Quraysh was the Battle of Badr. Okay, maybe that's all I can give. Sorry